Hi kiddies, in this video we are going to see some facts about pandas. Yes, shall we go? Yeah, number 1, the pandas are from mammal groups. Number 2, pandas have excellent camouflage for their habitat. Number 3, pandas can swim and even climb trees. Number 4, the pandas spend a lot of their day to eating. Actually, it's so funny. Then, number 5, pandas sometimes do handstands when they wee. Oh no. Number 6, pandas are helping hand one. Wow, so good. Number 7, bamboo is critical to their diet. Wow. Who are all like pandas? If you are like panda, just hit the like button to this video. Okay? Good. See how it's so cute, Wow, this black and white color. Thanks to watch kiddies, and do subscribe for more drawings with some informations. Bye-bye.